A tectonic shift. Trump's tariffs reshape Asian trade. The global trade landscape is undergoing a profound transformation, driven by the aftershocks of the Trump administration's tariff policies. These tariffs, primarily targeting goods from China, have sent ripples of change across the Asian continent, disrupting established supply chains and compelling nations to reassess their economic strategies. The impact is undeniable, ushering in an era of uncertainty and adjustment for businesses and governments alike. At the heart of this trade war lies a complex interplay of economic and political motivations. The U.S. administration, under then-President Trump, argued that these tariffs were essential to protect American jobs and address the trade imbalance with China. However, the ramifications extend far beyond the U.S.-China dynamic, ensnaring a vast network of Asian economies intertwined with Chinese manufacturing and global trade flows. The tariffs themselves encompass a wide range of products, from electronics and machinery to textiles and agricultural goods. This broad targeting has magnified the disruption to Asian economies, heavily reliant on exports to the U.S. market. As businesses grapple with increased costs and shifting trade patterns, the ripple effects are felt across sectors, impacting industries far removed from the initial targets. Economic tremors. Measuring the impact on Asia. The economic consequences of these tariffs on Asia are significant and far-reaching. Morgan Stanley estimates that the levied and proposed import taxes could impact up to 25% of Asia's total exports, a staggering figure that underscores the region's deep integration into global trade. This projection highlights the potential for widespread economic slowdown and job losses, particularly in export-oriented industries heavily reliant on the U.S. market. Adding to these concerns, Moody's projects a decline in Asian economic growth to 3.7% in 2025, a notable decrease from the 4% growth experienced in 2024. This slowdown can be partially attributed to the dampening effect of the trade war on business investment and consumer confidence. The uncertainty surrounding trade policies and market access has made businesses hesitant to invest and expand, while consumers, facing potential price hikes, may curtail spending. The impact, however, is not uniform across the region. Some countries, particularly those with diversified export markets and robust domestic demand, are better positioned to weather the storm. Others, heavily reliant on exports to the U.S. or deeply embedded in Chinese supply chains, face more significant challenges. This disparity in impact underscores the complex economic web woven across Asia and the need for tailored responses to mitigate the negative consequences of the trade war. Navigating the storm: Asian trade policy responses. A new dawn in Asia, diminishing U.S. influence and rising regionalism.